Oh, that honey was amazing. All right, so found this little guy munching on my breakfast berries. What do you reckon I should do with him? He's kind of cute. You're lucky my pet wolf Lobo ain't here. He loves possum. You'd be a goner. Whoa, check that out. Way up there in that big pine, looks like we got ourselves a beehive. Fresh honey, here I come. Ugh, when climbing, always check for loose bark. Good grip. Whew. Halfway there. Can already hear the bees. All right, folks, when you're after that sweet wild honey, always approach the hive calmly from downwind. Bees are less likely to get agitated that way. Oh, that honey was amazing. Full of antioxidants, helps with allergies.